right back here on the Cobalt 220 1998 model. Got the engine run. Fired right up. Does have the captain's call. Put it in gear. Sounds good. All right, well, that's it for this video. You can see it at boatsofdallas.com.